Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get these beautiful watch faces for your Apple Watch. It is really nice. You're going to see nice analog watch faces and also digital watch faces and all kind. This is one of the best application that I found on the App Store. So we're going to break it down in this video, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so to start, this is what you gotta do. You gotta go to the App Store to download an application called Luxury Watch Faces. This one right here. You must type the entire word in order to show up. So Luxury Watch Faces, Watchology. So when I tap on it, this is what you get. This is the application to download. So when I click on it, it's gonna open up, and as you can see, it gives you the 2 days watch face, right? Which is really nice. It tells you to claim it, and this is so beautiful, right? So I'm gonna close this. So what I want to see is the analog watch faces. I'm a big fan of analog watch faces, right? As you can see it here, these are all the analog watch faces, so beautiful. You know, you can choose the one you like. For example, I'm just gonna set one on my watch. When I tap on it, right, and as you can see, it shows you the watch face to add on your watch, and also it suggests more watch faces down here, as you can see them. But right now, this is what I need to add. So once you download the application, it's gonna install the watch face on your watch. So when you go to your watch, you press on the crown and you get the menu. So I got 2 watch faces, right? 2 application, but this is the one that I need right here, watch faces. So when I tap on it, as you can see it here, it came up. You see this beautiful watch that I got, and when I click on add watch face, you're gonna see it's gonna install it in no time. It is very beautiful. You don't have to go to the Apple Watch app on your phone, right? It does it automatically on your watch. And as you can see it here, when I tap on my watch, and this is what you get. You know, you see it is very nice. So this is one of them, and you can add much more, right? Much more. So let's go ahead, let's go back and select another one. Oh, look at this one. I like this one, right? This is very original, but let's scroll down and show you more, right? This one is one of my favorite. I like blue watch faces, to be honest with you. So analog watch faces is my thing. I don't like digital. Analog is my preferred watch faces on my watches. And let's click on this one, and it shows me the watch face to add, and then it suggests more watch faces, as you can see it here, right? So it is a beautiful thing. Let's add, and as you can see, it is added, right? This is amazing. Look at this watch face, right? So that's how you get this watch faces. This is one of the best that I've seen so far, right? It is really amazing. And let's click on see it all. So it shows you all categories right here, all categories, you know. If you want, this is see all. Let's click on this one, for example, and then you get all these watch faces. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one, guys. Let's go ahead and install it. And in the meantime, it's suggesting me more watch faces, but I really like this one. It is kind of like original. I like the dial. And let's add it. When I click on add, and let's check it out here. And as you can see it here, this is amazing. This is a beautiful one, guys. Beautiful watch face. All right, so this is how you get this application, my friends. It is so beautiful and so easy to use, right? But in the meantime, let me show you what other watch faces that are available. So different categories, right? Different categories. Let's check out this one. It should be like all reddish watch faces. And as you can see, it has 6 of them, beautiful one. And let's go back. This one has 15 watch faces. Let's go back. Let's check out this one. It's orange. Oh, it has some blue. This is amazing. Look at this one too, man. This is nice. So overall, this is how you get this application. But now let's see if you want to purchase it. Oh, check this one out. I like this one. 5 watch faces on this category. Let's move on. Let's find another one. 22 watch faces. So this is all digital with different design, you know. So like I say, analog watch faces is my thing. I love analog watch faces. And we can click on random pick. Let's see what we get. Random pick. You got this beautiful one too, all right? And that is suggests more watch faces in here, as you can see them. And what else should we look for? And you can also make your watch face wallpapers. It has wallpapers for watch faces if you want to add some wallpapers. And also you can make watch faces, I believe, right here. This is luxury. And let's go back in here. And settings, it shows you how to install the wallpapers and all that. Is all that stuff. The AOD, you know, always on display on watch face, it shows you how to do it. And also, why does live face place in 3 seconds? It tells you why. There's a reason why. And now going back to the main page, you get all these wallpapers. And then coming back to the main page, you get all these watch faces. So you have an options, right? Digital, analog, and much more. So to purchase it, it doesn't give me the option, but because I think I bought it already, so it means that I purchased it already, so that means that, you know, I think I paid $4.95. So once you download it, you're gonna see how to get it. But you can get a lot of watch faces for free before you purchase, right? So it is really good, amazing. And I think it was a one-time purchase, if I do remember. I think I paid $4.95. But when you go to the App Store, once you download it, you're gonna be able to see if it is suitable for you, so you can buy it, purchase it. All right, guys, so this is it. This is how you get these beautiful watch faces on your Apple Watch. It is very beautiful, and you can use it on all series of Apple Watch, right? Not only on the last series of Apple Watch, but you can get it for all series. All right, so you download it first, you try it out, see if it works for you. If you like it, you can purchase, or you can use it for free, but it is limited if you want to use it for free. So the purchase unlock all features. Alright guys, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.